Welcome back to How To University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more students to the How To University channel. In today's video, we're going to teach you a couple of things here on Twitter. So what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and open up our Twitter tab, and once we're at our page, we're going to head over to the bio section. And how you do that is once you're on Twitter, you're going to hit edit profile, and a couple of things are going to pop up: your banner, your profile picture, the name of your Twitter account or your personal name, and then the bio. It's as simple as just typing what your Twitter page is about or just a little bit of information for you. So for the sake of the video, I selected Welcome to How To University. We're going to help you with all the tech, social media, and website solutions, and much more. And that is how you update your bio. Once you've completely put in all the information here, it can't be more than 160 characters. You're going to hit save, and then now your bio has been updated. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.